This is video for all my subscribers and viewers. I haven't made a video in a couple of months. A lot of things have happened. I want to just explain a little bit. About a month ago, my mother, Grandma Dio, got sick. She was 95 and she passed away. So her last wish was that I continue on with my Dio videos, and she said, I will give you this house, my house, if you have a place for the Dio and you can keep working and making your videos. So I've had to move out of a house I was in for 27 years in the middle of winter, move everything into this garage, which is it's a mess right now. Maybe I'll look at this in years to come and see how well it'll be. But my whole life's been turned upside down. It's just it was expected, but it's a shock. I've had to move all my video games. Let's fall out. All my tools and equipment. And thank God that my bikes are okay. And that I have a good stereo. When you're down and out and you're just feeling bad, a good stereo really helps. I don't like this mess at all, but I had to do everything on such short notice. That's even some of my really cool UFO and motorcycle models. Here is my 600RR, 3,000 miles on it. There's my Yamaha and my little gyros behind there. So anyway, I moved into another house. All my bikes are here. They've always been here. She let me put them here. And she gave me the house as long as I would keep on making videos and helping people out there with Dios. So this is DIOSpeedDemon. And I'm a little bit kind of down, but into every life a little rain must fall. That's the way it is. Anyway, thank you for your patience and watching my videos. I'm now approaching 40 million views, and I didn't even think I'd get any. So anyway, thanks to everybody. Thank you. The DIOSpeedDemon out.